Hey guys, guess what? On my Hanging with Helen Facebook page, you may not even know I have a Facebook page, but there are 187 Thermomix Thrifty tips. They used to be Thursday Thrifty tips, but they're now just Thrifty tips. But the fact is that on Facebook, it's chronological. They get lost. It's hard to search for them, but you can if you want to for free. However, I have put together a little resource cheat sheet which lists all of those 187 tips. Plus, I've even grouped them down below into subjects like preparation tips, accessories tips, gluten-free tips, recipe tips, and so on. And they are active links, so you just need to press on it, press open, and it will take you specifically to that tip with the video. So no fuss, no mess. It's really super simple. You can pay what you want for this ebook. There is a minimum charge to cover my costs, but the link is in the description below.